If any of you are wondering what the slowest growing plant I have in my garden, hands down it has to go to the bay tree. This tree is already, this plant, nowhere near a tree, is about, I think about 3 years old. I bought it as a 6-inch start, so in 6 years all it has grown is about this much. It grew up this tall, but I pruned back so I could hopefully grow some more vigor, but that was a month ago and that's all the vigor it's grown. So maybe it'll grow faster in the ground, maybe not, I'm not too sure. But if you have anyone that has a huge bay tree in their backyard, it's a blessing. I would not eat seafood without bay leaves on the fish, no way. It's such a great complement to seafood, it's amazing. It's a great smelling leaf as well. So this is the slowest growing plant I have. See ya.